George Williams was just a young man when he was taken into custody in 1970. He was charged with murder but declared mentally unfit to stand trial. So they locked him away. No trial, no regular medical reviews, no justice. And they left him there for 50 years. He lived his entire working life behind bars. Until now. This week, the Supreme Court of Jamaica awarded Mr. Williams more than $120 million in damages, $78 million for pain and suffering, $42 million to acknowledge the violation of his constitutional rights. But here's the part no one wants to say out loud. The people who caused this tragedy aren't the ones paying for it. Not the judges who never reviewed his case, not the prison staff who watched him waste away, not the system that failed him over and over again. You, the Jamaican taxpayer, will pay that bill. When the government is forced to pay out $120 million in damages, like in George Williams' case, they don't pull that money from a magic justice fund. They pull it from the consolidated fund, the central pot of public money that comes from your taxes, GCT, income tax, fuel tax, etc. Fees like traffic fines, licenses, borrowing, which creates more national debt. Now, the government may not immediately raise taxes and say this is because of George Williams. They'll never admit it like that. But here's what really happens. Money that could have gone to healthcare, education, or roads is quietly shifted to pay legal damages. So services suffer, and people don't even realize why. To make up for these losses, the government often raises GCT, adds new fees, or increases costs for basic services over time. The police will now target taximen, taxi drivers who are easy targets. The police crack down harder, issuing tickets for even small mistakes to signal control and law and order. They need the ticket money to help pay George Williams.